Trump says I live off subsidies. His own golf resorts swallowed $650 million in COVID relief, diverted $2.5 billion in military funds to build a border wall, and now he can't even pay a $450 million fine. I praise his efforts in brokering a Gaza ceasefire because that move genuinely helped people in crisis. That is something worth acknowledging. But that doesn't mean I have to tolerate the big, beautiful bill, a con that could blow up America's debt sky high. He can't handle dissent. The moment he hears criticism, he starts with personal attacks, threats of investigations, and even tells me to go back to South Africa. Sound familiar? That's how dictators behave. I funded Massey because he has a spine. He opposes reckless government spending. But you, anyone who doesn't praise you, becomes your enemy. You claim I've taken $16 billion in subsidies? How many rockets has SpaceX launched for NASA? How much has Tesla contributed to your climate goals? You/programs launch personal vendettas and won't even touch the Epstein list. Give me a break. The real thing you should be worried about isn't my passport. It's your own balance sheet.